Guys, has this ever happened to you? You try to put your ladder here to work on something, you go up, and you're not quite where you need to be, so you're actually stretching out to get, where you need to be. Well, I have got the answer, and I'm gonna show you guys how to position your ladder the right way every time so you don't ever have to guess, ever. It's foolproof and it will work every single time, so stick around, guys. All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know how many times I have worked with people who cannot put the ladder in the right spot. I've seen people go up and down, moving around, walking the ladder around, like you're not supposed to do, or holding on to joists, pulling the ladder, then getting back on it, and it never seats right. But I'm gonna show you guys, every single person that I've ever worked with that doesn't know this, I always show them because it's super important. It takes only a second. If you think about it, right, you can position the ladder the correct place every single time. Now I'm gonna show you on a 6-footer. I'm also gonna show you on an 8-footer so you guys can see how to put the ladder in the right spot every time. So come with me, let's work on this fan box together, and I'll show you exactly where to put that ladder. All right, so one thing we need to keep in mind is, you wanna be as close to your work as possible. Nothing is worse, right, than working overhead or reaching out and working overhead. That really sucks. So if you position your ladder right every time, obviously it'll help you. Now, another good thing to do is keep in mind is you want to make sure you have the right size ladder. Now, obviously 6-footer, it's going to work because I'm going to show you it's going to work. But an 8-footer will be better here. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you exactly how to put this 6-footer right here to correctly work this box. Now, what you want to do every single time is this right here. If you line your ladder, so the top of the ladder right here is underneath, exactly underneath of your working spot, whether it's a box here, a can light there, a ceiling tile over there, whatever, wherever you want to be, you put your top step right underneath your work. I'm going to be able to go right up there and work on that. Now let me show you. Watch. Boom. I'm right here, right where I need to be. So you can see that I'm perfect. Everything works good. Now I could have been back a little bit, but this is perfect. I can strip it out, do my thing, go for broke. Now let me show you on an 8-footer exactly what I'm talking about so you can do the work a little easier. Same thing goes, right? We're going to open it up. We're going to get the top of the step right about where the box or whatever you're working is. We're going to go up here and boom. Now this is what I would consider to be correct. I was a little further here on the 6-footer, but right here is perfect because I'm literally right underneath of it. I can work perfectly right here. All right, you don't want to go so far back where you have to, walk your ladder because even though, sure, it works great, or you could jump it, you just don't want to do that because that's so stupid. Anything can happen. Now, obviously I did it. I'm only showing you what not to do, so don't do that. But, just take the time, think about where the top step's going to be, and every time you'll be right under your work. All right, I hope that helps some people. I've seen so many people struggle to get on a ladder just to get right back off, or work behind you, or work way out in front of you. It makes no sense. Every single time, take the time to make sure that you're not overworking or overextending or underextending yourself, because it takes so much more energy when you're doing it wrong than if you just take the time to put it where it needs to be and be done with it. If you guys are interested in watching videos on how to wire a 3-way, definitely check right here to the side. A video will pop up, and I will catch you guys in that video. Guys, if you like what you see, make sure that you like and subscribe. God bless, and I'll see you in that video and on the next one. Have a great day.